How to view saved passwords on Android phone. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily view saved passwords on your Android phone. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your phone settings. Then scroll down, find and tap on Google. Now here tap on manage your Google account. Then here scroll to the left here and tap on security, and then here scroll down and in signing in to other sites you will see password manager. Tap on it, and then here you will see all of the websites you have signed in through this email. And now to view passwords, tap on that app or website, enter screen lock, then here you will see the password. So to see the password, tap on this eye icon to see the password, and the password will be visible to you. And so this is how you can view saved passwords on your Android phone. Thanks for watching.